Good morning, dear students. In previous lecture of this topic, Kingdom Monera, we were studying about the archaea bacteria. Now here we are going to study about eubacteria of the Kingdom Monera. Students, eubacteria, the term eubacteria is also taken from the Greek word eu, that means good or well. Good or well, or you can say that true. Also, you can say that true. That's why the eubacteria, the members of this group eubacteria are also known as true bacteria. What are the features of a eubacteria? A eubacteria is of prokaryotic type. Its outermost protective covering of the body consists of cellulose and a very complex polysaccharide known as peptidoglycan. This presence of the cell wall inside the bacteria, it provides an ability to survive in the modern era. The outermost protective layer is also known as capsule. It is similar to the plant cell due to presence of cell membrane, cell wall, and also its inner wall is consist of cell membrane. If we are talking more about the eubacteria, then we will find that the eubacteria are the modern bacteria, and you can say that true bacteria. They are consist of prokaryotic type of cell. They are unicellular, and some makes colonies also. On the basis of mode of nutrition, the eubacteria are classified into three main heads. What are they? On the basis of nutrition, eubacteria are of three types. First, you can say that photoautotrophs. Second, chemoautotrophs. And the third is heterotrophs. What are photoautotrophs? Cyanobacteria blue green algae, preferably known as the photoautotrophs. Photo means light, auto means self, and troph means to gain nutrition. Thus, these are the kind of bacteria containing bacteriochlorophyll or chlorobium bacteria or chlorobium chloroplast inside their cells, and has ability they have ability to obtain their nutrition in the presence of sunlight. They generally mix the carbohydrate or glucose and stores the excess amount of these substances in the form of starch, just like to the plants. If we are taking the example of some cyanobacteria, then we find that Nostoc and Enamina. Nostoc and Enamina are the most peculiar organism, or you can say that bacteria of this class photoautotrophs. Nostoc and Enamina are generally found in the marine water as well as on the terrestrial surfaces. They also helps in the fixation of nitrogen in the soil. That's why the cells, the special cells present inside these photoautotrophs bacteria is known as heterocyst. Yes, student, heterocyst cells. Heterocyst cells are present in their colonial form, which just like look like the filamentous shape. They mix the blooms on the surfaces of their habitat, also known as algal bloom, where the polluted stagnant water are present. Thus, heterocyst is responsible for the fixing nitrogen. Now, students, the another class of eubacteria is chemoautotrophs. Chemoautotrophs. The chem or chemo means belongs to the chemistry. It means chemical substances. Autotrophs, it means has ability to prepare their own food or self food synthesis ability. These are the kind of bacteria which are found in our surrounding, and they prepare their own food by with the help of organic and inorganic substances without taking the help of any other components, or you can say that in the absence of light. In shorthand, you can define them the kind of bacteria which have ability to prepare their own food with the help of chemical substances are known as chemoautotrophs. The chemoautotrophs, if we are taking the example of some chemoautotrophs, then the sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria, also known as iron Aegypti, iron bacteria, nitrosomonas, which is a nitrogen fixing bacteria. These bacteria also breaks the nitrates, nitrites and ammonia, also helps in recycling the kinds of substances in our nature. That's why they are also regarded as the decomposers, because they have ability to decompose the kinds of organic and inorganic waste substances present into the soil. Thus, they play very economic role to recycle our environment. Now, the next type of bacteria on the basis of mode of nutrition are heterotrophs. The heterotrophs bacteria are present upon or found on the dead and decaying organic and inorganic matter of the animals and plants. They have also ability to decompose the kind of substances and to obtain their nutrition from the dead and decaying organic and inorganic matter. They are said to be heterotrophs, because the term hetero refers to the others and trophs means have ability to gain nutrition. We are taking here some example of such bacteria. Rhizobium is a very common example for heterotrophic bacteria. Rhizobium is found in the soil. They help in the fixing nitrogen. Another, if we are talking heterotrophs of bacteria, then we find that Streptococcus, Streptomycetes, Neomyces. Lots of examples of heterotrophic bacteria are there. These bacteria not only help in the nitrogen fixation, but the Streptococcus bacteria is very confined for obtaining an antibiotic medicines, streptomycin, which is used to cure the bacterial infections, and like neomycin injection is also obtained, that is an antibiotic injection obtained from the Neomyces bacteria, used to curing the bacterial infection diseases and skin allergy diseases that makes rashes on the surface of human body. Thanks students for joining today's class.